Hey, what's going on, guys? I don't know how well you can hear me out here, but I'm outside cooking some crawfish. So drinking a little bit of White Claw. It's kind of like seltzer beer. First time I've had it. It's really not my type of thing, but it's okay. So if you've never seen crawfish cooked, let me show you. Okay, well, I had to pause the video to show you. But these are crawfish here. Got some ice on them. I've already washed them. These are the crawfish, right? And you can't really eat anything on these. It's like small lobsters, right? You can't really eat anything on these except for the tails here. And you could sometimes eat the claws if they're big enough. This guy's not that large. Let's see if I can find another one. They're currently in ice, like I said, so I put ice on them after I wash them. That keeps them nice and cool, keeps them alive longer. Some of these guys have claws about that large, which about a quarter size of the actual lobster. So this is my pot. I have vegetables currently cooking. That's all my vegetables and seasoning in there. I have about what time is it right now? I have about 5 more minutes on the vegetables, and then I throw the crawfish in. And I'll show you the finishing, the final result as soon as crawfish are done. Alright, I just put the crawfish in the pot, and that's where we are. Those are my toes. But yeah, that's where we are. They'll sit there. I'm gonna wait for the water to boil. Water will start boiling, you know, bubbles coming up. I'll put the lid back on, which is sitting right there. And that'll boil for about 6 to 7 minutes. These are pretty large crawfish. Normally it's 3 to 5. These are large, like I said, so about 6-7 minutes. And yeah, at that point in time I'll turn the burner off here and let them soak for about 20-30 minutes, and then they're ready to eat. Alright, so they were extremely dark before I put them in, but now you can see they're bright red, and that typically means they're done. I'm going to give them about 2 to 3 more minutes boiling. I'll turn the flame off, put the lid on, and let them simmer simmer and soak for about 20 minutes. Alright, and this is the end result. We have some crawfish here. That's a smaller one, but we have some large crawfish here. We have some orange, lemons, potatoes here. We have some onion in here somewhere that's kind of disintegrated a little bit. Oh, here's some garlic and some, well, we have some asparagus here. But I can't think of the word. Corn here. So that's what we have, and that's the end result. Bon appetit.